The Airbnb story, from side hustle to global hospitality giant. In the sharing economy, one company stands out for revolutionizing the way we travel and experience cities, Airbnb. What started as a small side hustle in 2008 has now become a global hospitality giant, with millions of listings spanning across more than 220 countries and regions. Brian Chesky, Joe Gebbia, and Nathan Blecharczyk, three friends struggling to make ends meet, stumbled upon an opportunity during a design conference in San Francisco. Faced with high rent prices, they decided to turn their apartment into a bed and breakfast, offering air mattresses and homemade breakfast to conference attendees. This marked the humble beginnings of Airbnb. Brian Chesky said, "We couldn't ignore the demand we saw during that conference. People were looking for affordable and authentic accommodation options, and we saw an opportunity to fill that gap." Chesky, Gebbia, and Blecharczyk quickly realized that their idea had potential. They founded Airbnb and launched their platform, connecting travelers with locals, offering spare rooms, apartments, or unique accommodations. However, their path to success wasn't without challenges. Joe Gebbia said, "We faced numerous rejections from investors and had to resort to selling breakfast cereal to fund the company. But those challenges forced us to think innovatively and find alternative solutions." The first lesson learned from Airbnb's journey is the power of an innovative business model. By tapping into the sharing economy and offering unique accommodation options, Airbnb disrupted the traditional hotel industry and opened up new possibilities for both hosts and guests. Nathan Blecharczyk stated, "We also recognize the importance of being customer-centric. We built trust within our community by implementing robust verification systems, allowing guests to review their experiences, and providing 24/7 customer support." The customer-centric approach became a cornerstone of Airbnb's success, as it fostered a sense of belonging and created a global network of hosts and travelers who trusted the platform. Brian Chesky stated further, "Finally, technology played a vital role in our journey. We leveraged technology to streamline the booking process, enhance communication between hosts and guests, and personalize the user experience. By embracing technology, Airbnb was able to scale rapidly, reaching millions of users worldwide and creating a seamless end-to-end travel experience." Today, Airbnb continues to inspire countless entrepreneurs, showing that with an innovative business model, a customer-centric approach, and the power of technology, even a side hustle can grow into a global hospitality giant.